Question 20. The density of apple juice is 1.05 grams per centimetre cubed. The density of fruit syrup is 1.4 grams per centimetre cubed. The density of carbonated water is 0.99 grams per centimetre cubed. 25 centimetre cubes of apple juice are mixed with 15 centimetres cubed of fruit syrup and 280 centimetres cubed of carbonated water to make a drink with a volume of 320 centimetres cubed. Work out the density of the drink. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. An awful lot of heavy, quite dull reading, but we've got the density of 3 different drinks. They're mixed together and we need the density of the final drink. This question is checking that you know the formula for density, which is mass over volume. If you don't know that formula, make sure you learn it, because if you don't know this formula, this question is impossible. As you can see, I'm going to be dividing by volume, and the drink that we end up mixing has a volume of 320. So I note that down early, because I know at the end of this I'm going to be dividing by 320, and noting that's going to pick me up a mark. For the other part of the volume, I need the mass. So by multiplying both sides of this equation by volume, it's dividing there. So it's going to be multiplying with the density to work out mass. I can work out the mass of each individual part of the drink. So the mass of the apple juice is 25, because it's 25 centimeters cubed. That was the volume, times the density, which is 1.05. And carefully on my calculator, I get 26.25 grams. The mass of fruit syrup was a volume of 15 centimeters cubed, multiplied by the density, which gave us 21 grams. And the mass of carbonated water had a volume of 280, multiplied by a density of 0.99 to give us 277.2 grams. If I add these 3 weights up, or these 3 masses up, I get 324.45. Don't forget I've got to divide that by volume, because that's the mass now, that's the volume, and I get 1.0139065 on my calculator. The question says give your answer correct to 2 decimal places, so this rounds to 1.01. Very challenging question, impossible if you don't know the formula. Take your time, list things out in a logical order. And if you found these videos helpful, please subscribe.